again. In this video, we will talk about installation of Xcode. So to start writing code with Swift, we need to have IDE. The IDE that used for Swift is Xcode. So to get Xcode, the process is really easy. Just go to App Store and search for Xcode. This way, here in search engine, look for Xcode. You will see Xcode and here's it. If you see here the version 8.3, that means this is not the version we are looking for because this is for Swift 3 and we are looking for Swift 4. If you see it 9, that means download it. But now because I'm recording in the development time for Xcode, so I need to go to this website. So I need to go developer.apple.com/download. It will ask you to log in with your Apple IDE. Just create Apple ID and login. After you log in, I have Xcode 9 beta. Just click download. I already downloaded to save my time, which is here is it. Just double click on it and unpin it because now it's compressed file. It will take some time until he unpin the file for me. Here we go. After a while, he just extract the Xcode. So this Xcode, I just will take it and add it in applications. So here we go. This is my Xcode. Double click on it. Maybe he will ask you to install something. Maybe he will be open directory. If he asks you to install something, just agree and open it. So this is Xcode version 9, which is support Swift 4. So let's get started.